Very good morning. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss about the SS and OS Lab third program. So this is a YARC, or we can go for C also. This is a program to construct predictive or LL1 parsing table for the grammar rules A, B, A, and then we can give any kind of expression. So we'll see now one by one. So we are going to design and develop, implement YARC program to construct the predictive LL1 parsing table for the grammar rules. So by using the table, we can parse the sentence A, B, B and then dollar. So we already know that this is the dollar which we are going to use at the end of the string, so that we can come to know this is the session. So now we'll see this the coding part. So this is the header files, hash include std this is a standard input output library, and this is the clear screen, and then this is the string. Why we are using this string? In the sense we are going to give we are going to generate a string to generate parsing, so that we are using the string dot h, and this is the header files over here. And the main thing, we are going to do the execution part from main function. So void, we are using main, and then open brace, then we are going to declare the data type and then variables. So char is a data type. So char, why we are using char over here is we are going to find out the string type of output. So we are using the char, and then variables is fine, and then we can give the 10-20 sizes, and then this is the data type called int, and this is the integer. So a equals to 0, so we can give any kind of variables to see the number of coordinates, and then scanf, this is we are going to read ampersand n. So we are going to give the productions in a grammar, and this is the we are using the looping statement to check whether the string is accountability or not. So for I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So we are going to read a string of I. And again the same thing, we are going to see the string operator which is increment or not. So j is equals to 3 and l equal to 0, a equals to 0. We are going to find out the if condition called if statement, that is whether this string is greater than 64 or less than 91, then we can go to s1, again string 1. So if it is not there, then it will become the increment will happen. So that is s1 is equal to j plus 1. Else if the condition is string is greater than 0, then we can go for while loop, and then once checking the while loop, the a variable got incremented. Again we are using the same for loop statement with the same process, and then we can go to the string 2. Then afterwards we can give the increment for b plus 1. Again same process we are doing for first and last. So if condition I equals to 0, then l is equals to 1, else l equals to 0. Then at last we can see this operator, the same thing, the same process we are going to find out, and then we can go to q3, and then we else the while loop, again we are going to check. So the same process will be continuing till we are going to generate the predictive parsing and LL1 parser. So this is the output. Now we will see the how we are going to compile and how we are going to execute the things. How we are going to we will see now how it is. So now we'll see turbo C. I'm going to open the I am going to open so in this I am going to see my program code called 3.c, which I have done. So this is the program code. We are going to see this. And now we are going to compile the thing, so there is no any error. So now we are going to run the statement. We can see we can give the statement. We can go for parsing the command. How we are going to get the output like this. Thank you.